Hello? This stream is gonna be with voice, and I'm not that comfortable, to be honest. Is everything okay? You can hear me, right? I hope it is. 1 second, let me check. And I'm not that comfortable. Oh yeah, right, everything is okay. I'm just checking. And hopefully it goes well. So what we're gonna do today is well, I'm gonna talk about how Windows 11 is. I always wanna say Windows 10 because I'm like, you know, used to it. You're also probably used to it as well. But here we are. We survived through the COVID just to get to our Windows 11. Beautiful, beautiful operating system. 6 years worth of waiting. Is it worth it? Probably not. But they might have delayed it, maybe leaked a better version to us. Well, I guess let's start now. Alright, there we go. So, we're gonna install Windows 11 on real hardware today. And I think it's gonna be pretty interesting. 1 second. Alright. Now we're actually set. So let's plug in a USB drive and copy Windows 11 on it. There we go, USB drive. I'm gonna do it with Rufus. Y'all know this program. Welcome to Supporter, bro. I appreciate it, thank you so much for becoming a member. Let's select. So I have it right here, and you can download it as well if you want to. The link is in the description for the video, where I left a download link in a pinned comment. Yeah, this kinda sucks, but yeah, that's fine. You'll figure it out. So let's make this right here. GPT UEFI. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's do that. Right, so what else we can talk about right now? Remember what I said in my last video? Windows 11 shouldn't support UEFI, shouldn't support legacy. It will only support UEFI. I don't think this is true, because I actually got a Microsoft dev to talk to me. I know some Microsoft dev, and I'm not gonna disclose any names or anything, any details, because it's gonna be bad for them. They told me a bunch of stuff, including some undisclosed info. I cannot actually confirm whether that's true or not, but We know far less than them, by the way. One of the things they said was the fact that UEFI and Legacy will be supported on Windows 10. That it appears they want to keep Legacy as well. That's pretty interesting. And I checked the beta as well. It supports Legacy. You can boot on Legacy and you can do everything. The only thing they did on Windows 11 image was add a little bit of a doozy, a hardware requirement, the TPM chip. The TPM chip is a kind of thing that, like, processes cryptographic data. I don't really care what it is, but the most important fact of that is that this chip is gonna restrict all the legacy hardware that doesn't have it. And that's like all the Haswells, all Sandy Bridges, all those laptops that many people have, still to this day. This ISO is pretty slow to copy. Huh. It's fine. Well, I don't know why they want to cut off legacy hardware so much. I think compatibility is a great reason people use Windows 10 and probably 11.4. It runs great on old hardware, it runs everywhere, basically. I guess if that's gonna be a real requirement for in an RTM version, it's good job, Microsoft. You've cut off all the 2010, early 2010 laptops and all the computers that didn't have that specific chip. All that weird stuff. But the most important thing is that you can actually skip that requirement. This requirement is built into the installer. You can probably manually deploy the Vim and it's gonna work just fine, just like any other Windows. That is gonna be quite interesting to check. If they are actually gonna employ that strategy, they should make it like bootable, non-bootable, because you know, you can pretty much effortlessly bypass it. Yeah, no, this process is pretty slow, taking really long. In the meantime, I'm gonna set up a camera, I guess, and the capture card, because we're gonna install on the real hardware. I know it's technical babble, but somebody might be interested in knowing a bit more on that mysterious Windows leak, if you will. First, we're gonna install on a UEFI computer, on a slightly old, maybe 2018 grade computer. It's still pretty old, but yeah, not that new. I think I set up the camera. We're gonna see if that's gonna suffice. Let me show you, 1 second. Gonna be using OBS Ninja for this. Great service. Absolutely free. Not sponsored. Alright, I think you can see that. That's basically my camera, that's my real computer. While it's copying ISO files, let me show you how it's gonna work. Hopefully it's lagless. Is it lagless? I hope it is. I'm gonna shake it up a bit. Tell me if it lags. I'm not used to make such streams and I'm pretty distressed right now. Oh, welcome gamer player. Welcome to supporter. I appreciate it, man. Join the Discord for fun. Alright, let's boot it. Oh, you can see me right there. Hello. Okay, the copying is almost complete. That's what I'd like to see. Oh, you haven't seen my hands, huh? I showed them on my second channel a lot of times. You're missing out. What else can we talk about? Oh. Oh. What else the developer said to me? Basically today or yesterday. One day. It basically told me that the Windows 11 is gonna be an actual successor and is gonna be using the NT10 kernel. They aren't gonna be remaking the kernel. It's gonna be the building up. Pretty weird. I don't understand why it's like that, but I cannot confirm that info one more time. Welcome to support or left chill music. Edward, welcome to supporter as well. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Well, you see, this bad boy takes about 11 minutes to copy. I don't know why. It's so weird. I did not account for this, for such long wait. I know, I guess we can just look at the virtual machine for now. I did some testing and basically I installed it in Legacy. I think it's currently... Oh, shut up, dog. I have a dog outside from neighbors and it's barking. God damn. N6KV, welcome to Helper. Wow, you're gonna be in my intro. That's bog epic. Right, so I tested around a bit and look, this is Windows 11 installed on BIOS, basically legacy hardware. Let's take a look. See, it's booting, no problem. You're guessing Windows 11 kernel is gonna be too heavy? I don't think so, to be honest. I think it's just gonna add a bunch of new features. Dr. Daddy with $4.99. Later builds, they will change Windows 11. Yes, they absolutely will change it. They will add some new features as well as deploy all the features Windows 10 had. Basically, the small taskbar button, all the beautiful stuff that was in Windows 10 that Windows 11 lacks. As they told me, as the developer told me, it's all gonna be back. Oh, it's so laggy, look at this. N6KV, thank you so much. I love you too. €2. Right. Yeah, so basically OB. It's gonna load forever, I think. Because my laptop isn't that good for streaming and doing all that crap at the same time. So, as I discussed in the video, you can run BCP here, the command prompt. And you can run anything from it as well. The lag isn't real. Well, that's the problem with my internet. I'm sorry. I really can't do anything. It's my limitation. See, that's basically all the same. Nicholas Programmer, €2. Is this original from Microsoft? Yes, it is. It's an actual leak from Microsoft, and I'm gonna discuss it a bit later in the stream. It was leaked just 10 days before the actual E3 or whatever from Microsoft. Their how it's called. And I forgot how it's called. Their meeting, yeah, their meeting. You hate the new UI, yes. It's to be honest, it's like we also hate Windows. We also hated Windows 10 UI back when Windows 10 came out. Let's be real. I personally don't think of Windows 11 UI that bad. It's alright, it's decent. You can do with it. Oh, 1 second. Look, I forgot the alert box. My bad, boys. You should be knowing when people subscribe and stuff. Security questions, all that crap. Get it out of my face. Thank you, Pixelcraftian, for £2. accept. You're basically running through Obby because look at this. This is stupid. Dr. Diddy one more time with $5. The start menu is better than Windows 10, but I wish it could become a separate tab. And the sound effects. Oh yeah, that's a valid point actually. I think the start menu is... I don't really like it. But... there are as many different opinions as there are people. And the community got pretty divided, you know. I kinda dig this screen actually, look at that. Say my name? 100 of whatever currency that is. Sanskarnayak? Oh, okay. Anti-DMJs with 49. Guys, you're just... oh my god, I cannot talk, you're donating to me so fast. I'm just surprised. No, this screen is pretty nice. Back to installing Windows 11. This screen is pretty nice, but no, I don't really care about it. That's why I always skip it. The icons have been changed. That's what I like. The new icons aren't as simplified and they're point. That's what I like to call it. This is on a VM, and I think I will restart the Rufus because it's getting pretty annoying right here. I think it's stuck. Oh, thank God. This is a faulty USB stick, or what? I don't know. Because the main point of that stream was to install... was to install Windows 11 on real hardware, and we seem to miss it. Miss the entire point. Let's start. Alright. Well, it's added. We can install the tools. Oh, Infinite Code, thank you for Czech Kronos, I think. I don't remember how it's called. 10 Czech Kronos. I think they're Kronos. Okay. Windows 11 takes a bit more. In my experience, it takes a bit more to set up. You see those, like, unfinished icons? The apps are being installed. Japanese guy. 200 yen. Thank you, thank you. If you're still not sure, you can just do this. And the animations are quite nice. They're slick. You can do it to the left and it's gonna be as usual. And you can have it in the center. It's like macOS or whatever. They're ripping off everything at this point. There's no like small icons settings so that you can make the counter 2 lines instead of 3. And that's what I really dislike about this. This is my worst enemy, this 3-line counter. UI is crap. I'm also Sanskarnayak with 40 of that currency. UI is crappy. Yeah. Well, everybody has their own opinions. I can't really tell you whether it's good or not. Personalization is closed because... oh, helping, like in all Windows 10 versions. Before activating. So weird. Yeah. in my opinion, this is the best, the best combination, this wallpaper and dark. Oh, watch, it's already here, 2 minutes past. Alright. One thing I found, like, from the very beginning, was that this taskbar is actually just an overlay. There is nothing special about it, it's... I don't know, it's dependent on a user, I guess. It's really just, like, take a look. If you run CMD and Task Skill Explorer, it disappears and leaves a gray background behind. That's what's like new about this, I guess. PLN5 for strafing, thank you so much. When you start Explorer as system, it shows the old taskbar. I guess they will give you an option to switch between the taskbars in the future versions, or perhaps even in the release. This would be great, to be honest. So the bug I found was the old taskbar, and yeah, it really depends. So back at opening it, initially I thought it was like the taskbar was somehow not Explorer, something else, maybe a DLL. Perhaps it is. I didn't really find anything on that, because it's still quite new. Dodgy the Epic, welcome to supporter. Right. What I also tried was, right after I made the video, I also tried to modify the taskbar values from Regedit. And it doesn't seem that you can do anything about that. Except you can get it up right here. You can stick the bar up and it's gonna still work. That's the thing my friend found. JGFT with 2 Robux? How are you? I'm doing well. Except that Rufus is like taking ages to do its thing. So the registry values are... let me find, I forgot it. Max None, welcome to Helper. You're in my intro, congrats. Right, let's find how to modify taskbar regedit. Oh yeah, I'm just quickly googling it because I didn't write it down or anything. Oh yeah, there is the key. HK current user, software, Microsoft. Windows, current version. Oh, Explorer and Advanced. You can see all these keys. These are actually taskbar settings. You can entirely tweak the taskbar through this. Oh, so everything's so lagging so much. Preston Franklin, welcome to supporter. I appreciate the sponsorship, guys. So everything you can change here, you can modify here. And one of the properties here is the taskbar small icons. You can value data 1 and nothing happens. Like, pretty much. You can reboot, you can do anything, and it's still not gonna change. So I keep it at 0. There are other settings that you can make, that you can set, and it's gonna get up here. You can find it yourself, but I'm just talking about it. You can... let me show you the bug with system. Oh yeah, let's do it manually then. We need the ZHC bug, or utilman bug, whatever it's called. ZHC... System 32... ZHC... Alright. Basically advanced, to set yourself as an owner, you know how it's going. As usual. Nothing special. I dig the sounds though, they're kinda cool. So, CMD... we can do this here. Access denied, alright. Fine. Fine, be that way. It's because the CMD isn't running as admin. Complete old school way. Absolute beginner way to this, but fine. We take anything. So we log off, don't press final because it's gonna log out of my system as well. Sign out. Pizza long nerd. Left her button and centered app icons. Possible. That I don't really know. I don't think so. I think they're coming in a conjunction. It's like the entire section is glued together. Dr. Daddy with $5. People think you're Russia. How much money do you have, man? Keep them for yourself. I don't need money, man. But I still appreciate it though. People think I'm Russian. I am actually Russian. You can probably get it by my accent. Explorer. So we're on Explorer, and what we find here is this. Look at that. This is a Windows 10 taskbar, and when you press start, it crashes. Oh well, it crashed the last time I checked, but the point is, it's the same thing from Windows 10. That means they can't just replace the taskbar. It's just an overlay. That's what got me thinking, basically. You can also do all sorts of stuff, like killing the logon UI, which reveals that there is no background, no default background for system. Well, as usual, nothing has changed. All that cool stuff. And I think I'm gonna stop the showcase on this machine, and let's move on real hardware. That's where the real fun is gonna start. Right, so the Rufus is done. Let us see. Preston Franklin is $2. Hello. Hello. Hello, man. Okay. Let's move on to the camera. If it's not that laggy. I hope it's not that laggy. And on to the camera. Oh, check this out. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna plug it in. There. Gotta reboot. Okay. Second, I'll do that. I can do that. Fine. Oh, we can just use the boot menu, whatever. That's in case you didn't see. Wait a second. Where's that? Where's that boot option? There we go. It's gonna use the same BGRT as the OEM one. The same boot logo, basically. Let me use the webcam right here so you can hear me better. Oh, you can see it's loading. Nice. Or it just shrugged me off. No, it didn't. That's the real Windows 11. All on real hardware. Running on UEFI. It's 1920 by 1080. Native resolution. Pretty cool. Okay, so let me connect the capture card so that you can actually see it far better. As always, it doesn't go well, but we can do it. Hopefully it's gonna show. If not, we have to use the bad method, which is camera, which is quite laggy. Marshall Migliore, €2. You love my content? Ah, thank you so much. That's basically the entire point, that you love my content. That's why I make videos. It says it's a Cupid, which means it doesn't work, which sucks. Damn. Well, too bad. Well, let's use the camera. It's gonna add some... it's gonna look natural, basically. How are you gonna install it the usual way? You're gonna see everything. I'm gonna move on to a mic here so that you can hear me better, and I'm gonna add some boxes. Okay, you can see everything nicely. Let's go. Alright, it looks good. I'll tweak it a bit more, and we can start. Right. So we're gonna do some manual installation here, folks. Let's do a manual install. I kind of forgot that how it's done, but kind of rusty right here, but that's fine. We can make it. We can make it through. Also close the curtains so there's not much light. Maybe it'll help. Oh yeah, it does help. It's pretty good. We're gonna be installing on a disk with 4 terabytes on it, so we're gonna select the disk 1. Convert to GPT. Alright. Create an EFI partition with size of 512 megabytes. Create the primary partition, which is the rest, but I think I'm gonna resort to, like, I don't know, 1 terabyte, I guess. It's not 1 terabyte, but it's close to it. I'll take that. It's fine. Let's do that. 1000 gigabytes. Okay. So format with TFS and sign C. Oh, not free. Interesting. We can use it. We can do it with mountful. Continue. Select the second disk. Okay, select the first part. Is that the correct disk? Oh no, it's not the correct disk. My bad, my bad. It's the first disk. Now that's much better. Let's format the first partition. EFI partition requires FAT32. All right, should be it. Select the second one and assign C. All right, now we're cooking. Next, what we're doing, we're gonna unpack the Vim file. We're gonna unpack the Vim file. It's here, I guess. I think it's here. Ooh, there's so many disks. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's just, yeah, it's the partitions. We don't need D. Let's go to sources and this apply the image. I'm gonna have hard times remembering that, but we'll do it. What's the last flag? Oh, image file, yeah. You're applying something. Okay. Is this gonna work? Why, yes, it is. Yay! I made it, boys. How old I am? I'm 17. Close to 18. Let's see what you guys ask me. I'm interested to see. So I hope you guys enjoy the stream so far. I certainly am. It's pretty fun installing manually. This is exactly the way you can bypass the TPM requirement. The TPM chip requirement is built into the installer, and you can just not use the installer because you just installer just deploys the thing, deploys the image, and you can do it manually. Because why not? I still don't know whether it's gonna run on this particular hardware or not. This is the first time I'm doing it, but I think it's more fun like this. You guys can ask me any questions right now. I'll answer them because waiting sucks. How did the Windows 10 get? How did the Windows 11 get leaked? How did it get leaked? Well, this is a really good question, my friend. This is what I wanted to talk about on stream. Thank you for letting me know. Well, what I think about it, I think it's a marketing campaign. I don't think there is any other explanation to this. There is absolutely zero chance the star would line up so nicely. Microsoft only seems to have profited from that leak. They got free advertisement basically. Imagine a company holding everything secure for months, maybe even years. And 10 days before their meeting, their E3, their everything, the ISO gets leaked. There is no world where this can potentially happen. 10 days before. Even more, since they need a perfectly stable and complete build to show off on their E3. And it's just 10 days away, as I said before. That means they almost if not already done. Therefore, that build got leaked. That build that got leaked is raw and early. It's probably from March or somewhere like that. I assume. That sounds pretty planned, at least to me. I don't know about you. I think it was all planned. That is indeed a big brain marketing move. That is a big brain move, Kevin. I agree with you. My stream just kinda died for a second. I don't know why. Okay. What if the ISO is fake? Yes, man. That was one of my concerns before I made the review. I had to make a quick decision. This is the last question I'm answering because this is done. This was almost my biggest concern before making a video. The leak happened, a friend sent to me the ISO, the leaked ISO, and I was like, what? Windows 11? What in the heck is that? How is this possible? Even though I saw the window shadow like it was 11. Like they made an artwork where the shadow was incomplete from a window, and it made an 11. They were teasing us for a long while. They even made a pretty interesting link, a shortened link, aka.ms/Windows 11, even in May. And I thought, no way! How could it get leaked 10 days before the event? How's that possible? Like, and I had to make a quick decision. I decided it was real and made a video. So that's basically my entire concern, whether that ISO is like, because there are fake betas, and there are a lot of them. There were a lot of them, and there were a lot of stories when people got bamboozled, just straight up joshed. All right, I'm gonna go back and continue the installation. All right. I hope you hear me, right? Do you hear me, guys? You guys hear me, right? Wait, I don't know. My camera probably doesn't capture the sound, which is not good. Let me come closer to the mic then. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna BCD boot. And that should conclude it. That should be it. Alright, boys. We're almost here. Oh, I need a mouse. Goddamn. Or I can do this. It works as well. Do I watch Daniel Mislivitz? Yes, I do. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. I like this guy. He's great. Open advanced mode, select the select this. The Windows 11. I just cannot, like, I'm always saying Windows 10. I feel like saying Windows 10 because Windows 11 makes 0 sense to me. I'm like, Windows what? Oh, my brain is like, oh, it's Windows 11. It's not Windows 10. Am I a maths nerd? You might think so. Yeah, I kinda am, to be honest. Hacker Sinhouse with 1.65 Robux. Thank you so much. No escape works on Windows 11? Yeah, most likely. I'm pretty sure. It isn't that different from Windows 10, after all. See the Win deploy here. Let's skip the obby. Oh. Huh? Is it gonna work? Hmm. Oh, I think it rebooted with an error. I didn't see exactly what it was. You know, guys, I'm kind of I'm kind of distressed when silence happens. It's kind of a big problem when you stream with voice on a freaking 200,000 man channel. It's it's really difficult for me. So you guys should understand me, alright? I'm not that experienced. That's my first voice stream. So we have the mouse dingling here. Let's get it out of here. Oh my god. What? What is this? Scam. Scam. It's all. Oh, it's all tangled up. God damn. Oh. Let's do it like this. Never expected it. Oh my god. Wire getting in the way. Put the keyboard here. Hello everyone who just came along. Welcome to my voice stream. Okay, so what we can do here, what we do next. The wind deploy already ran, so we must continue on. I completely forgot what to do next. My bad, guys. I should remember it. Oh, it's the user creation, yeah. Add user and do. Adding that. Also need to add to a local group. Okay, good. I think that's it. Actually, gotta focus, hopefully. Oh god. Okay, well, I'm gonna use my keyboard. Because this is terrible. Oh. So you see everything is set to 0 except the system setup in progress. We should either kill the Bin Logan right now or we should do what? Oh yeah, let's kill Bin Logan. This is a great idea. Let's kill. Oh yeah, never mind. We're using the task manager. Oh man, I gotta use the mouse here. That sucks. Let's actually run the Explorer first. I want to see how it is on Windows 11. It must start. Okay, it seems like the Windows 10 taskbar right there. Yeah, it basically is the Windows 10 taskbar. You probably cannot see, but it's the well-known Windows 10 taskbar. Difficult to operate when microphone doesn't work on the webcam. It's also refusing to focus. I think we just exit the command prompt. I think so. It's just like equal to exiting WinDeploy. Should be it. Let's see if it boots. I hope it does. Does it? Does it even do anything? I hope it does. Yeah! Woohoo! Let's see if it boots. Come on. Come on, show me the money. Oh, it's still dropping me into the command prompt. Fine. We can set all the values to 0. It's no problem. I'm also operating it through my OBS, which is quite terrible. Set to 0. Yeah, let's try setting it to 1. Both of these and see how it does. Because we're currently in the BCB phase. Oh, it reset. I hope it boots. Trust in installer boot? Come on. Ah, yeah, it boots now. Great. Is it Dolby? Yeah, you know, I'm just kind of rusty right now. I didn't do manual installations in a few months, that's for sure. Maybe half a year. Haven't done such in a long time. So you should understand. Now we're waiting a few minutes before another phase begins. Shift 10, no, it doesn't work. No, just wait. Yes, I will be skipping OB. I will be completely trashing that system. It's just a way to prove that Windows 11 isn't that fixed compared to Windows 10. It's gonna load for a while. Yeah, Poise with $3. Thank you so much, man. Let's restart. 2 minutes. Waiting happened. And ideally it should boot right into the lobby. Or even better in the login. I don't quite remember that. After all these exams and stuff. I'm all messed up. Oh, is this gonna blue screen? Are you serial? It's just stuck. Look, it's just stuck. Oh my god. Wait, it's soft locked. Wait a second. It's just the reset button didn't work. What was that? This was interesting. All right. That looks great. We messed up the manual installation. Let's see if it soft locks my computer again. Please wait. Maybe one more time it's gonna work. Yeah, there is no chance. If it doesn't work after the reset, it's toast. If it's not gonna pop me into the even login, I don't think it's worth it. Well, I guess we destroyed it. That's a valid point. We destroyed it. Yeah, it's a toast now. Okay, all good. Let's redo the installation. I'll do it I give it one more attempt. Let's see the... This is gonna take a while. Meanwhile, I think I'll check what I messed up in. because I don't really know what I did wrong. Okay, well, we do this part as usual. Yes. There's nothing different for it. Dawson VH. 5 Canadian dollars. Thank you. You need to enable PTT in the ASUS BIOS to properly install. That's what I'm trying to avoid right now. That is exactly what I'm trying to avoid. The hardware requirement for the TPM chip or Trusted Platform Module chip. This is exactly what we're avoiding right here. Manual installation is said to be the cure for this limitation in hardware. Okay, let's see. I'll see now. Can we do it? Huh? Is it not gonna delete? Uh-huh, okay. We don't care, we can still delete it. Kinda concentrated right now. Okay, 4 terabytes. Oh, that's pretty quick. God damn. What is it gonna assign though? That's the question. Oh. So it assigned the G letter, I think. Oh no, it's not really. X is the boot volume. G is the. Oh, I think it is that. I think it's this. C is the another. I'm basically dual booting 2 systems. That's why it's so difficult. It adds. This is, yeah, it's what we need. Let's try index 1. It's gonna be Windows 11 Home, I think. I'm not sure. I guess. Oh, wait. Access. Thank God, it's my malware 10 partition. It would suck to rewrite. Almost accidentally erased the malware 10. Any questions, boys? I can answer a few. You know the problem? I rebooted the system while it was getting ready. No, not really. You can entirely skip the Win deploy and it's gonna be fine. Problem is, I think I actually didn't do the process correctly. I did one slight mistake. Yeah, I did a slight mistake, I believe. I looked through and one thing I forgot was to enable the command prompt from the very start, from here. The download is in the description, guys. Click the video and check the pinned comment there. And you'll have 4 download links. Already at 50. JK user, welcome to Backer. Oh, I'm kind of missing this, but I'm missing these this widget because I kind of want to save the stream highlights, and I don't want any anything on the screen except the content. That's why I'm not having any widgets. Orny Beater, do you use Arch? Yes, I do use Arch Linux, but I use it once in a blue moon. That's how much I use it. I don't like Linux. It's not very nice. Can you BSOD Windows 11 after you're done install? That's not no fun. Windows 11 is full of new icons. Why don't you try deleting image res? Wow, you're brutal. Deleting the icons. What's it gonna give? It's not destructive, except if image res is something else besides the icons. Something like shell 32. I never really thought into it. Sleepy with $2 Canadian. You can use a virtual machine with a real drive. But what's the point? I mean, I'm gonna use real drive, but the hardware will be still a virtual machine. That's not what we're trying to achieve here. We're trying to install Windows 11 on an actual computer with the worst way possible. Basically. We need to load the Hive. That's what I forgot to do. My bad, boys. Okay. HK. Load. These icons, damn, they're kind of cool. System 32 config. You load the system. System Hive and Gonna have the setup, and we replace the parameters. I could set the variable status, but I don't really need it. It's optional. We need to replace the CMD line with CMD.exe. And I think that's pretty much it, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. We don't need anything else. Oh. Hopefully it does work. If it doesn't, that means I have to actually admit that manual installation is not a way to bypass the... Oh, what? What was that? I forgot to BCD boot. I'm such an idiot. Now I have to wait for it to load. We have to rebind all the... Oh my god, all the letters. So at least I know this cardinal. Now it should boot. Hello everyone who's new to this stream. This is a voice stream. What? How does it not work? What is this? This is a scam. It's not in the boot priority, I think, that's why. Really have to select it each time. I'll go into the setup and make it first. It's gonna show the command prompt and we're gonna go on from there. It should. There we go. We started in deploy to deploy the drivers. Oh, I also forgot to add the Ender user into the users local group. That's what I forgot to do. DBPT 210 with €2. Does this count as supporting? Anything counts, man. You don't have to support me, but thank you so much anyway. Any penny counts. Oh yeah, you see? That's what it says. The user was successfully created but cannot be added to the user's local group. That's why we must do it manually. Group and users ender. And we need to add it to admins. Alright, now it should be fine. We also must do the rejected nans that we did before. We must setting all the values to 0. I hope you guys like the stream, by the way. I hope it's fun. Yeah, we gotta set this to 0. Because I feel like it looks like like nerd trying to install Windows 10 in a really stupid way. Setup type must be also 0. And system setup in progress must be 0. Yeah, I guess we can just then exit, right? Yeah, we can just then exit the command prompt, then it's gonna be good. Wampus, welcome to Backer. Argil with $5. Install Gentoo. No, I will not. I had immense pain when installing Arch Linux for the first time. And now you're telling me to install Gentoo. No. Never in my life. That's not happening. Not even for content. Please wait. I kinda wish I had verbose status enabled, but... whatever. It's gonna do. Let's just wait. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes, because that's when it's done for sure. Hello everyone. Testive! Yeah, Marcos, yes. Testive global root device contier reworks. Yes, I will. That was my idea, man. I will absolutely test it. As well as the i30 bitmap bug exploit. About your video, how to recover computer without access to password. Net user. Yeah, I know. This... I just didn't know this. That's my bad. That way you can also preserve your user data. Alright, 1 more minute. Don't worry, it's temporary. Ask me any technical questions, I'll be fine answering them. Most I know answer to. Will I make videos with voice? No. Not all, maybe a few. But no, I'm not gonna become Michael MGD. I think that's good enough. Let's restart. Yeah, let's restart. Should be way more than enough. Ron550, welcome to supporter, welcome. Thank you so much for becoming a member. I think here's time to reveal your face. Well, I don't really feel like it. This should now work correctly. I hope it does. If it doesn't, well, blame me. There we go! Heck yeah! See, I just forgot to uh I forgot to add the user to the user's local group. That was the entire thing. That's why it lagged, that's why it broke, and that's why everything bad happened. Master Kenobi, welcome to supporter. Thank you so much for supporting me, man. You guys are so nice. Oh, it rebooted. What happens next? Dr. Shannon with Argentinian currency, I guess. 20 of some ARS. What's up, man? What's up? I hope it doesn't boot loop. It's gonna suck if it does. I think I just a moment again. Huh. It's not a please wait sign. Oh, it's black now. Yeah, that's definitely not what we had. We're definitely further into the process. Yer Yosef Shalom. Welcome to Backerman. This widget is so cool. I wish I could put it there. Oh yeah, let's go. Look at that. Oh, be beautiful. Woohoo! Samuel Jordan, welcome to support. Guys, I don't have time. I don't have time to like shout you all out. Thank you so much. So many of you become members. Feels so good. Right, so with this obi, what can we do with it? What bet can we do to it? We can start the command prompt. That's all that matters. All that matters is that we can start the command prompt. Let's see what different is about it. I doubt anything, but we will see. We can probably start the unattended installation or a sysprep. Oh, I forgot to shout out. Ron550, thank you for Hungarian forint. I think it's forint. For 1000 Hungarian forints. Thank you so much. Areas of Shalom, thank you. Thank you for 15 of currency. Oh yeah. Let's actually do stuff. I'm procrastinating. I'm reading stuff and I don't have anything to do here. Okay. We can start the Explorer because why not? Oh, look at that! Beautiful. Hey, this PC... I don't think it's any different, to be honest. Pea shooter, $20. Thanks, man. Thank you so much. You're gonna be in my intro. $20 is a large sum. Okay, so... Oh, We already have a user, so we can probably kill Vinlogan. Oh my god. Quote the poll. €5. Try installing virus, malware, or ransomware, or try deleting the system. Should I switch to Windows 11? No. No, you should not. That's my only answer to such question, because it's just a beta. It's a dev build and it's leaked, so it's not really a good idea to switch just yet. Maybe it will become worse with time. Wait for an RTM and then think about switching. Like, watch some videos reviewing the Windows 11. Maybe find someone who already has Windows 11 and like ask them if they like it or not. And well, that's all I can tell you. That's how you switch. Windows, welcome to supporter. Oh man, I know you. Welcome anyway, I know you from my Discord. Okay, so finally, we can start messing up Windows 11. I hope. Oh, yeah, reject it. Let's see what we have in our system setup. All in progress is set to 0. Okay, so first thing that differs from Windows 10 Albi is the fact that it ignores the Albi in progress, it seems like. Or, 1 second, what's that? Oh, maybe this? We can always restart. Wait. Oh, it lagged. I thought it froze. Right, so can we do about it? We can probably restart right now and not lose anything, but so let's try that. It's pretty much a complete system. Oh, just a moment? I don't think that was in the Windows 10 Albi. Imagine if Microsoft was just like, by the way, this build is a joke, we're giving Windows 7 support again and discontinuing Windows 10. This would be awesome, to be honest. I'd love to hear that. I love Windows 7, it's a great system. I'm gonna set the boot precedence. I'm gonna give the 4TB drive the first priority. Is it already set? Let me see. Yes, it is. Okay, fine. No alt? Welcome to Helper. Oh my god, guys, thank you so much. Cirqua, welcome to Backer as well. Oh, hitting me with memberships. I'm not gonna lie, I feel kinda bad. I don't know why, but I do. But thank you guys anyway. Okay, when I want to test Windows 11 myself, should I use the link from your video or the ISO from your website? You can download from anywhere. It doesn't really matter where you download from. I think we cannot skip the Albi, by the way. Look at that. It's just a moment. The link you posted isn't working. The drive on and the media fire and the mirror and non-mirror have bad hosts. Oh, well, I have 100 megabit server, so it can't serve anyone, man. It can serve everyone at the same time. A lot of people are downloading at the moment. I think I will find some new links to Windows 11 and host them. Yeah, that's about it. JJR, welcome to supporter. I feel like I'm gonna drown in the chat because there's so much hype for Windows 10. Windows 10, Windows 11, my bad. And we cannot skip the obby this way. Let's see if the parts have been unset right here. I currently have no idea how this works because it's all new and they seem to have changed. The obby and the flags. Oh, you see, it's always 0. It's 0 everywhere, and it still boots. Seems like there's another check aside from registry. I mean, we can run who am I and who am I. I'm default user 0. We can perhaps delete that user and run from Andrew somehow. Maybe we can kill the Winlogan even. Let's see. Let's try killing Winlogan. This might be it. You know, you gotta improvise. You gotta improvise. Be curious. Let's kill Winlogan and see what happens. Oh. Well, something happened. I guess. It just resets. It just resets. If you plan on making another malware or virus, are you going to stream development? No, no. Programming is a really long and boring process. You cannot stream it. It's difficult to explain, but once you start programming, you'll understand that it's a bad idea. Oh, look at that. It restarted. It even showed us the first animation. Cool. So it checks for Winlogan. What can we do? I'm thinking right now what we are able to do here to completely skip the obby. Maybe we can knock up something. Maybe we can delete the default user, but it might just create a new one. Add user, delete default user 0. It might. Okay, and then we kill the Winlogan because then it restarts without the default user. It's just a trial and error, to be honest. That's why it's pretty fun. Winlogan. Kill Winlogan. You can see the mouse is stuck and you can't really do anything. The bitrate is dead when... Oh, look at that! We broke it! Yo guys, we broke it! The username or password is incorrect. It should drop us into our user, right? Yeah! Let's go! Heck yeah! We skipped the obby. With just a bit of trial and error, we did it. Windows 10 obby is skipped. Oh, never mind. Not too fast. Not too fast. Okay, not too fast. But who are we? Who are we running as? We are running as Andrew now, so this is far easier. Tvino OSU. Osu, welcome to supporter. Welcome, man. Welcome. I love to see my nationals joining me. This is beautiful. Okay, so one thing we can do is just kill the process of this Microsoft account. This is basically the obby. See, there's a desktop behind it. I think it kills the desktop, right? Yeah, it kills the desktop. It's fine. We can restart it. It's not in shell, right? Where am I? This is basically how it goes. Most of the times. Yeah, I'm still Andrew. All is good. We can probably make it stop restarting by maybe I'm currently thinking again. I'm sorry. It's just my thoughts out. So I might say some incoherent stuff. Maybe we can just delete everything in the obby part. In the obby folder. You see MS obby here. We don't really need it right now. Besides incorrect locale. Oh, Ron 550. Another Hungarian forints. 1000 Hungarian forints. Thank you so much. Okay. We can probably delete it right now. Let's try deleting it. Why not? Who needs the obby these days? I'm pretty slow because I'm using OBS to navigate, you know? That's kind of difficult. Okay, Andrew. Right. So, subcontainers also must get replaced. Let's have their owner replaced. Alright. And we can now edit the permissions and then we can delete. Admins. Hello. Oh, yes. Oh my god, this is why I'm so slow, you see? Also, it's freezing from time to time. And it's also gone, come on. Windows is joshing me. You see, it's closing stuff. I dislike it. Oh yeah, I'll be a bit quicker this time. Ron, thanks for another 1000 forints. Okay, so... What can we do? We have the ownership on Albi now. I'll be quicker. I'll move away from the mic. We gotta be quick here. See, that's a problem. That's kind of a problem. Let's try to change to trusted installer one more time. Oh yeah, I gotta be careful too because YouTube might take it down. System. Oh yeah, sure, that does it. Replace. Okay. And then we can go back and do it with Andrew because you can't really do it. Alright. Can probably delete it now. Oh, look at that. This is this permission crap that I don't really like. What can we do? We can probably skip it. It doesn't really matter. Every single one of these is just glued into the... Oh, I deleted something, I think. Did I delete the win deploy and all that stuff? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. It's good. It's good. Let's try task killing the Obi now. Oh, it's not even... Okay, it's UWP. Universal Windows Platform sucks. Kill the Microsoft account. Hopefully it doesn't appear one more time. Oh, it does. Oh, look at that! Look at this, look at this. Something happened, something went wrong. We cannot sign you in at the moment. Try again or select skip to sign in later. Holy crap. And it's completely... It's deranged. Wait, let's retry. Let's retry, see what happens. This is... What is this button? Oh, it froze. Oh, no mind, no mind. Here are the... Oh, they hit the button as well? 1 second, what's wrong? Oh, these buttons don't work. The entire obby is messed up. Let's skip. Oh! Guys, I think we found something huge. I think we found something huge right here. Look at this obby. It's pretty broken. I think it's a fallback obby. I don't know. Skip it. I'm trying to skip it. I don't think it's possible in Windows 11. Windows 10 obby is... I can't even run the command prompt. It's that broken. Okay, fine, let's try Android because it already exists. I don't know what it says. Oh, security questions, shut up. I'm not making those. Oh yeah, it just denies me. Okay, fine. Let's Android too. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay then. Fine, let's add the password. See if it win. Oh yeah, so required fields. Oh my god. Let's see what it shows us, if at all. Oh, it's broken. We officially broke the obby. Isn't that great? This accessibility button... Oh! What? Is this real? You for real? I think we can exploit it. Oh yeah, wait. There's some help from web stuff. This is huge. This is genuinely huge. 1 second. Where is the get help from the web thing on the right? I remember there is. Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Something went wrong. Everything went wrong. Everything is in shambles for Windows 11. I need to find the I need to find a way to open the web browser. Okay, learn more. Maybe this. Oh, we're doing something here. Yes, this is big. Look at this. Now we can. I haven't had this much fun in a long time. Now we can do this. Now we can open it, and there we go. We're in a command prompt. That's what you like to see. We can run it as an admin as well. Let's do it actually. Oh, my bad. Sorry. Didn't mean to. Oh my god, the focus. Okay. Showing the focus is wrong right now. Okay, run as administrator. Wait. Oh, it's just normal UAC, just my phone not showing it. You probably can see it. If you run as an administrator, we have this. Guys, I think this is an entire video for my channel right here. We're producing the content for my channel all together. Right here, right now. So what do we do next? We can probably kill off the obby, but it's gonna come back. Ah. Try Explorer, it's just gonna run another shell. It's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna do much, at least. We can try to see whether the shell is misplaced or not right now. Software. Let's see whether the shell is misplaced or not. No, the shell is Explorer. It's something else that causes it. Well, we're basically inside the system already. We can do anything we want since we have the access to the command prompt. We broke the obby, and now we have access to everything. This is big. This is huge. We need to somehow get this obby to stop. Stop it. Get some help. It shouldn't be that hard to do. Also gonna. Probably just gonna reset, but what if I completely delete the registry key? The system one. Let's see what's gonna happen if we do. System setup. We just completely get rid of it. I don't really care if it breaks or not. It shouldn't. It only should break the setup phase, which we already beat. So I think it's gonna be fine. Let's try killing the obby first. No, it just restarts. And we cannot run the command prompt. We gotta break it again. Because it's not gonna let us through. ZHC, I don't think it's gonna do any good. I forgot where I found the learn more button. We need it. We need it right now. Sign in. Access worker. Where was it? Sign in options, I guess. Yes, learn more. Give me that. Hello guys! We just completely obliterate the Windows 11 right now. We're gaming, basically. What I'm saying. We are gamers at the moment. We can kill even Logan. It should be good as well. I could have just actually ran the first setup, like first turn, it would be fine, but I just decided to completely break it instead because it's more fun this way, I guess. Okay, how do we do that? Oh, this requires more thinking than I thought it would. You can probably kill off Vin Logan. But it will just restart it. If it does, I'm just gonna do it one more time and just blue screen the machine. Because that's the actual way to restart it. You just blue screen stuff. Okay, what did I want to do? I wanted to kill Vin Logan. Let's do it. Let's do it thing. Details, Vin Logan. Okay, so everything should be broken now. Yeah, everything is pretty broken. It's gonna repair itself. It's all fine. Oh yeah, incorrect password. Nice. That's what we like to see. We're back at WinLogin. I could actually run SetHC here, I think. Or not. Not really. I think I'm just gonna wait for now. It looks like it's gonna boot. If it doesn't, well, reset. That's how we do it. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I thought it was. Oh, I guess at least we have this. It's quicker. Settings are there. What's wrong? What's the Z order of this Windows, man? Joshing actually. Oh, okay. So it's now deciding to. Okay, so it decided to not show me any settings now. Good to know, good to know. Oh, I don't think I can leverage this. It is absolutely possible to just tap into the learn more button, but it's definitely... Oh! Wait a second, never mind. You know what I'm just trying to do? I'm B-sorting this thing. I'm B-sorting it. Let's B-sort this thing. Oh, it also reset completely, as I can tell. So it's about time to find out if ConTRV's exploit still works. Let's find out. Exciting. Uchcall with $2. You want to get it to your PC but it isn't compatible? This computer is also not compatible, basically. And I installed it. Try it. It's worth it. Try it out. It might work for you, man. Best of luck. Why does my phone not like the UAC? Hey. Global root. Device. ConDRV. Kernel connect. Oh, okay. I forgot how it's done. I remember you could just paste it in the run box and it would ruin your day completely. I'm just gonna copy that thing and paste it in the Explorer. Because I have Explorer here. Paste it right here. You see that? I think they fixed it. It's either me being bad at remembering stuff or they actually fixed it. Yeah, I think it's done. Oh, we're now stuck at the lobby because I don't really want to waste anyone's time here. We got this running. And this doesn't get us anywhere. It just doesn't work. Pressing the button doesn't do anything. And I still don't know any good way to fully skip the lobby. I know there is Explorer behind this. I know there is one. But I'd call it dead. And I would have reverted the snapshot if it was a VM. What else we could do? We could boot into the safe mode, but it requires some. Actually, bcd edit set current. How was it? Legacy boot or whatever. Whatever that was, I don't remember it. It was. Uh... Wait, what's happening to the screen? It's. Oh, yeah, there were some corruptions. Let me see. Enable legacy something. Boot menu policy, yeah. Oh yeah, now we can reboot into the safe mode without any problems at all. Make sure you have a CMD window open, delete all the users, then kill Obi. It doesn't work like that. Obi doesn't check for users. Well, it does, but it checks in a different way. I think it does check for the first start or whatever. There is some flag, like locale. When you set locale, you're good to go. But when you don't do anything in the Obi, it breaks on you. That's how it is. Let's just restart. I know for the fact, I can show you, I'm in the end user. You see, we're basically done. There is Explorer behind it and we can just do whatever we want. Since we have the command prompt as well, this is basically considered installed. But not everyone can use the command prompt and not everyone is satisfied with this. So we're gonna try to get cheeky right here. If it even allows for it. My bad. My bad. Restart. Another 1,000 forints, man. You're insane. Try Windows 12 Lite. Yeah, whenever it comes out. Let's try it. It seems like it's gonna start the lobby again, but I'm not sure. I can't be. Since it's Windows 11, it's not Windows 10. I'm not used to it. I doubt it's gonna load. It's gonna be a black screen, I assume. The Z order of log on your window is too high. I can't see the ZHC below it. And doing... Where is it? I don't know. It feels like it's overlapping the ZHC. It doesn't seem to work at all. For now. Hopefully. Oh, it's black again. The fun don't stop. Basically, I have no idea. Okay, so... I guess let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. For the fans, we're just gonna install it without manually installing it. We're just gonna install it the normal way. The way everyone would do it. Let's do it. I kinda give up for now because it's like on stream. I don't wanna waste anyone's time here. I'm gonna figure it out behind the scenes. Perhaps I'll make a video if that's good enough content for my channel. If not, it's gonna be on the second channel because it's actually looking juicy. Is it safe to install on a normal computer, or is it too much unstable? Yes, it is too much unstable. That's my thought, at least. I would not install it on my own computer. What is this? What is happening to my camera, man? Holy crap. This looks awful. I'm just looking at it and it's like really choppy. You can't see stuff. Kinda wish my capture card worked, but it really doesn't. 1 second, I'm gonna try to make it work. Because it's connected through the capture card, it's turned off. I'm gonna be right back, 1 sec. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work. God damn it, man. It worked just yesterday. It hates me. Dude. This is kinda sad. I set up the capturing for nothing. So sad. It just doesn't work. I should have checked beforehand. Fine. I hope it gets better. Like, with time. The freaking camera. It was bearable, it will be bearable now as well, hopefully. I'm back to chat now, and... You have a flash drive, how do you install it? You just use Rufus to deploy the ISL file on the flash drive, and then you plug it in and install like we're gonna right now. And it's not gonna show, it's just basically product key stuff and all that BS. Just skip it. Oh, see, this PC cannot run. Oh, okay, fine, be that way. Okay, look, I'm gonna show you what happens. I think you can see that, right? I hope you can. This PC cannot run Windows 11. BS, complete BS. That's not true. BS. We're gonna install it. Oh yeah. That's why I manually deploy stuff. You don't get this kind of... You don't get this kind of messages when you manually deploy things. Oh yeah. This PC can run Windows 11. You're incorrect, sir. That's what we're about to do. Now we just gotta format the... Okay, final manual install, third attempt. We got this. We got this, boys. You just gotta believe. I should set it to... I set it to do not disturb, because people love messaging me when I'm streaming. Huh? Form, fast, quick. There we go. Oh, we also got a sign. Oh, D. And not even C, D. Oh, good. Oh, XC is an actual command, I did not know. Yes, just don't mess it up, Fire Studio, you're correct, I'm not gonna mess it up. This time, this is the one. I'm feeling it. Watch, I'm speedrunning it. See? Easy. We got this. We got this, boys. Yeah, any questions? While we're waiting, it's gonna be a like 5-minute wait or so. Just to keep the stream fun for everyone. Says 10 hours on the download. Well, you see, there are like 10,000 people like you trying to download the ISO, the Windows 11. There are only 4 links under my video, and some of them don't work as users reported. I'm gonna check it after the stream. And basically, servers cannot handle 10,000 people downloading at the same time. I hope you understand. Did I try the safe boot? Yes, I did. I tried to boot into the safe mode with command prompt and it did not work, it just looped. Am I Russian? Yes, I am Russian. Why do I install Windows 11 on a real PC? Because of this thing. I cannot, like, I just, you see, the bitrate ruins everything. It shows this PC cannot run Windows 11. No, it can. This computer can run Windows 11. And I'm gonna show that this computer is capable of running Windows 11 despite installer saying this. That's what we are trying to circumvent. The Trusted Module Platform chip circumvention. Do you think Windows 11 will use ReFS in the future? That's a good question. Windows 11, no operating system will use ReFS because ReFS lacks hard links. Hard links are necessary for system drives, so unless they come up with some ReFS2 or whatever, like X2 or ReFS2, which has hard links, it will be fine. I think they will move on from NTFS. But I think they'll be on NTFS forever. At least for a very long time. Are you not afraid that MS will strike you for providing download links? Good question, man. It's such a good question. Thank you guys for asking those. Really want to answer those. I have an answer. And I'm gonna send the Twitter post and just check it out. Here's the Twitter post. I'm just gonna wait till the delay comes through. Let me just also hear it out. And just check it out. Here's the Twitter post. I'm gonna... there's your Twitter post, and basically Windows acknowledged that their beta had been leaked, and that's what leads me to believe that it was intentional, that Microsoft actually leaked that beta. They just sent it to someone and they just created false news that it was not planned. I really think it's planned. I explained it before in the stream. Yeah, it looks really planned to me. I don't know how about you guys. Windows 11 system requirements, the same as Windows 10, I think. I didn't really check. Maybe they're huge, I don't know. That's what I don't really know, but it is Windows 10 basically, so I don't know about hardware requirements except the TPM chip. It sucks, and that's why I cannot install Windows 11 on this machine via a normal installer. But since we are here, we're gonna circumvent that. We're also gonna... Oh, rigid dot. Okay. Another YouTuber said that the Internet Explorer... One second. CXT, welcome to the backers. Thank you so much, man. Yeah. I lost the comment, it was kind of interesting. Damn, I lost it, man. I'll ask it again. Oh, another YouTuber said that the Internet Explorer is deleted, but I saw that you can open Explorer and it will just open Edge. That's what we're gonna check. That's a good point, man. I wanna check that as well. System setup. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. We need to load the Hive. Oh, this is so difficult. Navigate. Oh yeah, it's taking a while, but eventually I'm gonna do it, don't worry. Eventually it's gonna happen. We're gonna install it. We're absolutely gonna do it. EMD. This is definitely gonna be a video. Alright, Reggie did. And we are pretty much done. Just have to skip this BS. That is, this PC can't run Windows 10, Windows 11. And we just restart and continue the installation. Will it work if I install it on VirtualBox? I can't tell. It should work. VirtualBox has some fitting hardware for Windows 10, so I assume Windows 11 is also gonna work on it. Unless it doesn't emulate the TPM chip. 1 second, it's not focused. Hello? Please focus. Hello? Oh, whatever, dude. It's gonna focus, don't worry. It's gonna be fine. Are you gonna mess with every build or just this one? I'll mess with RTM. It's this right now because it's new. It's interesting. Okay, 1 second. I need to focus on something else because it's just gonna ruin everything. Look at that beautiful computer. Okay, it's focused now. And also my phone is at 6% at the moment, and it's not the best thing that could happen. I need to get a charger. I'm currently getting a charger because the camera is gonna run out. And it's the only source I have for stream. Yeah. Oh, I can connect it to the computer, I guess. Charging now? Oh yeah, it is. Great. Not anymore because I took it out, but now we are gonna put it in. And beautiful! Now it's not gonna run out. Is it? 1% and it's charging. Let's go! Oh my god, this stream is nuts. What is happening? Okay, so we're gonna check the system one out. You installed the hardware first. It's fine. It's fine, man. I don't mind not being the first in terms of real hardware, but I will be the first to exploit the obby. That's what I can tell you. You can't stop me. I'm the first. Wait, what? Hello. Come on, man. Oh yeah, everything that can happen happens. Did you just run out? Oh my god, I'm peeved, guys. I'm just peeved right now. The camera ran out, despite me having it plugged in. Oh my god, sucks so much. I'll get another one. 1 second. I have another phone. BRB, boys. We're gonna finish it. Alright, I'm back with another phone. Let's see what we can do about it. Don't worry, the show must go on for now. The battery isn't gonna stop us. Okay, so max resolution and start. Mounting another camera right now. He probably has a better focus. Oh, let's see. Streaming, we're gonna change the code. Okay, so we should be back, right? Yeah, we're back. Holy heck! This stream is insane. This stream is. Okay, so since we're back at it, let's just make it. Put it a bit closer because it's a different camera. So that you can view the screen in all its glory. I think it's good, right, guys? Okay, so what do we do next? Let's see. We set the setup type to 0, and we set system setup in progress to 0. Kebab King, welcome to supporter, man. I appreciate it. And next, what do we do next? We close the Regedit. Obi win deploy. Okay, it cannot focus. Great. Great. Sick. That's what I like to see. Okay, it focus. Thank God. Obi win deploy. Okay, now it will run. Win deploy, and meanwhile we're gonna create a user. Now we add it to local group. Now we add it to admins. This PC can't run Windows 11. This is the fix right here. That's what I'm showing off. That's how you fix it. And next, I think I set in progress is to 0. I think that's it, right? I bet that's it. I don't remember anything else past it. And just in case, I'm gonna set to 0, and then I just exit, right? I hope. And it's gonna throw me in the obby. Oh, what? What? 1 second, this is something different. Is this real Windows 10? Wait a minute. Oh! Did I really skip the obby? That's the money if I did. This is something different. You can't see anything. Oh, now you can. It doesn't seem to run the obby. That's all good. Huh. Let's run Explorer. We have the task manager, we have everything. Explorer doesn't seem to want to run. Yeah, I need the command processor. Administrative privileges. CMD. Oh! Look at that! We did it! Yay! Who am I? I'm Andrew. Okay. Look at that, we're in. We are in without any obis or crap. We don't need anything. We have the installed Windows 11. There is no taskbar though. Can you try task killing Explorer? Sure. Let's try it. No, it's some white background. Let's try it. Well, we're in Explorer. That's something. I think we skipped the obby. That still counts. That still counts. Even if it is a fluke, it counts. I think it was a fluke, but let's try. Let's check. What? Log off isn't a thing? How about this? What? I need to. Oh, it's Kelvin login. That's how we do it. That's how chats do it. I think you saw, but the taskbar was incorrect. It was from Windows 10, even though we are on Windows 11. Remember to reboot? Yeah, we're gonna try to Oh, we skipped the obby. Look. Looky, we skipped the obby. Jacob Miskarik, welcome to supporter, man. Welcome. We skipped the entire obby, now we click accept. And we win! Yes! Yes, we did it! This PC cannot run Windows 10. This PC cannot run Windows 10. Shut up! It can. This PC can run Windows 10. I'm actually gonna make a video on this. And with that, we are done. Oh man! You cannot understand how happy I am. We did it on the 3rd attempt. Sadly fitting backgrounds. Remove the abhorrent light theme and set the dark theme. Yeah. And the rest is history. Why are there two Microsoft Edge links? I have no idea. Let's remove one and let's remove another because Microsoft Edge is trash. There we go. Yeah, so basically, let's restart to show that it's indeed not a fluke and it's gonna work correctly every single time. Please do a video on how to do this. Yes, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. This is my next video. Granada Pacifica, thank you for €2. You thought they would change it more. Yeah. I thought they would change it, but don't worry, it's just a beta. It's a leaked beta, and the person that I talked to, the Microsoft developer, they told me that there will be many more features, and it's a really early leak. It's like from March or whatever. I don't know how old is that leak exactly, but it's old. And they're prepared for their E3 event, so you might look. You will look out for it. Oh, so you're telling me that Windows installation cannot proceed, so that's an issue, okay. This got me an error message box then. Need to restart unexpectedly. We can run a command prompt here, that's what I know. It cannot run, fine. Because in progress is set to 1 probably. We must set in progress back. Oh, it's set to 0. Set up phase 0. Probably 0 out everything. Let's try zeroing out everything. This usually works. You might hear my stomach rumbling, but fine. Gonna restart, right? Yeah, it should restart. Yes, you should actually wait for the official release. That's my mindset. You don't install raw products. That's why I'm not a Windows Insider, at least officially. I don't like Windows Insider versions. They break. And I don't want to lose all my work for nothing. You know? It's gonna show me that stupid message. Well, yes, it is. Windows could not determine the language to use for setup. That's what happens when you skip the hobby. Okay. You cannot find the setup language because we didn't set locale. What can we do about it? Another problem. You might tell that it's because this PC cannot run Windows 11. No, it's because I skipped the hobby. You don't skip the hobby. It's undefined behavior if you do, and that's what I'm currently dealing with. You don't really know what could happen, what would be correct and what would be wrong. Let's set the hobby in progress to 1 and system setup in progress to 1. Because this might lead us to hobby and we can continue the setup like normal. Basically I fall back. If it doesn't work, I don't know then. I remember the setup phases. Setup phase was 4. Yes, it was 4. It's usually always 4 and setup supported is 1. I don't know, I don't understand why it thinks it's setting up. I did everything as usual on Windows 10. That's the way they differ. Their hobby is different. You might get it to work. Well, let's see if I leveraged it. And it's gonna run the hobby. That's the best case scenario. Not gonna happen. You're on a Windows Insider and you got multiple updates on Windows 10 and haven't had any issues at all. Well, you're the lucky one. Some people have lots of issues. Oh, this message box is killing me, man. I don't remember what to do in this situation. Exactly, because in progresses are set to 0. I remember I dealt with it somehow. What if I just CMD this? It's starting the Win deploy. Oh, it's starting the Win deploy, and Win deploy is throwing a restart. That's what's happening here. I said the CMD is gonna run the CMD setup. And then I can just exit instead of restarting. If that's correct, we should be just one step further. Step 1, reset the whole thing. Step 2, wait 2 million hours for Windows to install correctly. Step 3, kill in 1 second. Easy. Yes, that's how we do it here. Oh, it's still running in the Win deploy, huh? Nope. We can just safely exit. And it's gonna continue. Okay. Okay. Now we're one step further there. Because the in progresses are 0, I don't understand why it why does it care for the CMD line? Oh, Love Duff, welcome to the supporters. Welcome, man. Oh, somebody donated and I skipped it. I Marsh with £5. Love my vids. Oh. You know, this is I said it a million times, but the only reason I'm making these videos is because people love them. If they didn't, I wouldn't. We're back in the Windows 10, by the way. Windows 10. Oh, I'm so bad. Why don't I say Windows 10? Windows 11. Okay. We can run register editor and see what's wrong from here. System setup. See what the in progresses are. They're still at 0. If I disable the CMD line, I'll probably break the entire system if I remove the CMD line or make it 0. I don't really see what could cause it to happen. There's some internal flag, perhaps. I know we are running Windows 11. That's really what matters. If you don't skip the hobby, you won't have these issues. Just saying. If you just manually deploy the Vim and complete the hobby normally, you will have a normal setup of Windows 11. That's the thing. I guess, does this count, guys? I think this counts, because I skipped the hobby and you can still boot. It's all good. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow explaining how to do this correctly and not do anything wrong. I know the process now. It's pretty easy. Skipping Windows 11 hobby isn't the best idea. That's what I learned. I guess this is what I wanted to do once was look at this, what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be pretty fun. Trash browser, I know, but that's fine. Who cares? Oh, somebody asked me to run Internet Explorer and see what happens. Let's see. If you're still here, here's what happens. I explore. Let's run it. It actually runs Microsoft Edge. Oh, that's kind of scummy. I don't know why. It's kind of scummy. What if I like Internet Explorer? What if I'm such a sick person and I want to use Internet Explorer? And you just redirect me to the Microsoft Edge. See? Internet Explorer. And it just runs Edge. The questions. Yes, Hidebook, that's exactly what I tested. There's just Edge. No Internet Explorer. Can I install this on my actual computer without it crashing? Yes, you can. I'm gonna make a tutorial video tomorrow. I was talking to Dasher859. I answered his question. You can install Windows 11, even though it says that your computer does not support Windows 11. It's BS, complete BS. This computer does not support Windows 11, and has installed it. And it's working fine. It's better than ever. So what I wanted to do, perhaps, it's pretty weird to you, but I'll have to enable USB tethering. On my way. I don't want to install drivers or anything. I'll just use the USB tethering feature. Or not, because it's my camera. God damn it. What do we do? Do we install the drivers? I think we will install the drivers. Fine. Fine. Fine, be that way. The only problem is that I don't remember where the drivers are. Where are the drivers at? I'll probably find them. 1 second. These software drivers. No, not there. So we must find them online. Fun. It's Archer T4E. That's how it's called. Oh my god, I typed on the wrong keyboard. Archer T4E driver. Let's download it. Good thing I remember the model. A driver. 47 megabytes should be fine. Shouldn't impact the stream. Oh, it's one megabyte per second. Bad. We take that. That's pretty good. Right, yo. Any questions? Oh, Pixel Oyunku. Try. What is that currency? Is this Turkish currency? Perhaps. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Crash the computer. I don't know. We'll see about that. So T4E is right here. The driver is right here. We just have to not be stupid. Why not? I'm just gonna show you everything that is happening right now. See? Okay. Just gonna plug it in. Oh god. What? You just decompress it there. Okay. Close this. Get out and put it. Shouldn't be too hard, huh? Plug it in here. Hopefully it works. Is it possible to install Windows 11 on an Intel Core i3-2100? I don't know, but you know, we might try it out. I have a Sandy Bridge laptop, which I call Hassel actually. So, yeah. I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna show what happens when you install it on a Sandy Bridge laptop, because I have one right under my desk. It's right here. Yeah. My cam isn't dead. It's just me talking, not doing anything productive. I'm currently trying to get the USB drive to work. Doesn't want to work. Pogger. Open the Pogger, please. Oh yeah, it doesn't work. Fine, we take the the installation USB, because it did work and it will work. And we unpack it there, because why not? Archer T4E. Okay. Download link, please. The download link is in the description. You can find the video, click on the video, and the download link is in the comments. There are 4 download links for you to select and use. There you go, the driver setup. Let's set it up. It doesn't require a reboot, which is cool. Okay, we're gonna quickly install it. How does the BSOD screen look like? I'm gonna BSOD it, don't worry. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do everything. Can you dual boot Windows 10 and Windows 11? Absolutely. Anytime you can do that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna BRB if this is... Oh, no, no mind. Okay, now you can connect. Great. Great news. Let's connect. Ah, you need a network key, huh? No, that's not happening. I'm gonna show you something else while I'm at typing. You can't see the text because of the glare. I know, it doesn't really matter for now. Okay, you know, just you can look at the beautiful, beautiful drawer. It's nice. That's how we do it. I'm gonna turn on the mic so you don't know how many characters are in my password. Okay, I'm back. We did it. We connected. Alright. Look at that. We are on my channel at the moment. Okay, good. We are connected. Let's see what we can find. I want to watch my stream while on stream. This would be cool. Wait for it. It's gonna be a Ception. A streamception. Can I say something in Russian real quick? А что мне сказать? Я не знаю. Я много раз говорил по-русски, и никто на это не обращал внимания. I said something in Russian. Let's continue. Oh, look at that Ception. It's beautiful. You like to see that? Oh yeah. With the dumb stuff out of the way, let's just BSOD this, BSOD, whatever you call it. We need the not my fault, or we can kill Win in it, yeah. Just need to kill it. For the people who don't know how the blue screen of Windows 11 looks, I didn't see one either myself, so we're gonna find out. What? Hello? It doesn't work. Sad. I'm gonna die. Alright, so it doesn't want a blue screen like this. Okay. It's fine, we have not my fault. We have not my fault, and we're gonna copy it over. Never a problem. Is Windows 11 supported for 32-bit? I don't think so. I heard that 64-bit only, but I'm not sure. Maybe. It's still at beta, and the only beta is 64-bit. So I guess you make yours. Not my fault. We copy it here. This is pretty lame, but just bear with me for now. Process hacker with process. Not my fault is good enough. I don't want to copy an entire folder. So where's the? Here it is, and not my fault. Let's see. Oh, that's the Windows 11 blue screen for you. Or the fans. How did I activate Windows 10 HVID again? Yeah, okay. Now, the final thing I'll do is check if this works on Sandy Bridge. Since the fans are now appeased, since the blue screen happened, everything is nice, everything is great. We'll have to see that. Let's see what happens when we install it on a Sandy Bridge. Do you think is the leak real or fake? I think the leak is fake. The leak itself, the beta is real, but the leak is fake. That's my opinion. Okay, so we have this beautiful laptop that you might have seen in the other videos. We need to remove these pencils first. Take a look. It's also glossy, so I might show my face, but everything is for the fans, you know. There's nothing wrong from your face to the fans. I'll be careful though. Okay, fine. That's good enough. That's good enough. That's a Lenovo G570. That's a Sandy Bridge, but I call it Hassel laptop. Sandy Bridge laptop. Does it run Windows 11? Probably not if this doesn't run Windows 11. Okay, let's be careful here. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, Windows XP, okay. It's not right. Oh, it's freak. It's like it's MBR and this is GPT. I'm bad. Never mind. Turn it off. No, I don't think I can show it in the stream time. I'm sorry. But I assume it's not gonna work. I highly doubt it would. Just close it. I highly doubt it would. Really. Well, I think that about wraps it up for this stream. What's my reason behind not showing my face? It's not necessary, that's why. I don't like people putting their faces in the thumbnails, all this kind of stuff. My channel doesn't need my face. That's my mindset. Well, I guess that's about it. Let's wrap this up, guys. Oh, what a 3 hours. Oh man, this is the longest stream I've ever had. Holy crap. Oh. I'm tired, man. Don't know, I'm still like, how many subs do I have? This is a manual subscriber counter. My recent invention. How many subs do I have? 176. Oh my god, you guys. You guys are insane. I have no words. How do you make this? Ron 550. Wait, is this all chat? Oh wait, Ron 550. 500 forints. Goodbye. Oh bye, man. I hope the stream was fun. Oh, it's really tiring when you talk. I'm really not used to it. Like, how many subs do I have again? It's 176. Okay, 176 flat. Huge. Okay. Okay, subscribe. You should subscribe. You're not obligated to, but you definitely should subscribe if you love the stream, if you sat all the way through, which I doubt. But if you did, you should definitely drop a subscribe. Like this video, share, like the stream, share the initial Windows 11 video. And I hope you guys have a great day, the rest of it. If there is anything to spend it on except this stream. Right, boys, bye. Have a great time.